Who doesn't want more time and more money in their pocket? In today's episode, I'm sharing life hacks that'll help you streamline your day and save some serious cash. Let's dive in. First up, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to do it immediately. It clears small to-dos before they pile up. Next, batching. Group similar tasks together. Check emails once or twice a day instead of constantly. This keeps you focused and productive. Ever feel like the day slips away? Try time blocking. Dedicate specific hours for work, exercise, and even breaks. It keeps distractions in check. Want to save effortlessly? Automate your savings. Set up a percentage of your paycheck to go directly into a savings account. You won't miss it. Save money and eat healthier with meal prep. Cooking meals for the week ahead means fewer spontaneous takeout orders. Check your monthly subscriptions. Are you using that gym membership or that streaming service? Cut out what you don't need and watch your savings grow. Make your own cleaning products. Vinegar, baking soda, and lemon work wonders. It's cheaper and healthier than store-bought cleaners. Bulk buying saves money, but only for things you use regularly, like coffee, rice, or toiletries. Avoid perishable items unless you'll actually use them in time. Running errands? Plan them in one trip. It saves gas, time, and sanity. Those are my favorite life hacks to save time and money. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making life easier.